1998 Jaguar XJR. Like the XJ8, the 98 to 99 XJR and XJ8s, the knuckles, usually with the bearings, usually go bad a lot earlier because they were smaller. Once Jaguar noticed the problem, they fixed it in the later years of this particular model from 98 to 2003. So I went to the junkyard, got a new knuckle and from a later year, and I'm putting it in with new wheel bearings, and those typically last a lot longer than the smaller bearings that came with the 98 and I think also 99 years. So I just wanted to share that information with anyone with these 98 and possibly 99 Jaguar XJ8 or XJRs.